Hello everyone. We at Record Racing are converting this Series 4 Sunbeam Alpine to right-hand drive, and also swapping the engine with an AP1 Honda S2000 engine. In this video we will show you what we found when we took the Honda engine apart. We bought it as needing repairs. The head bolts were extremely tight, so we needed an extra set of hands to undo them. Once the head was removed, we found that there was quite a lot of play in the piston in cylinder 4. We discovered this by turning the crank backwards and forwards. Before, when we removed the oil from the engine, there was a lot of metal shavings. So we suspected there was bearing damage to the pistons. We did not know yet if it had damaged the journals on the crankshaft. As you can see, the oil pickup in the sump was full of metal. This was from the cylinder 4 bottom end bearing. So we cleaned up the engine, bagged and labeled all the different bolts and parts of the engine, ready for when we come back to rebuild it. We now just need to remove the valve from the head and it will be ready to go to the Honda machine shop to have all of the work it needs to be ready for the rebuild.